y'all, what's up? Welcome to Beginner Dance Tutorials. I'm Carrie Mitchell. Today we're going to learn the I Am Your Mother dance. This is a dance that's trending on social media. It's to the song Mother by Meghan Trainor. It is not my choreography. I will tag the creators, Brookie and Jessie, below so that you can go check them out. We're going to break down everything nice and slow from behind, step by step. We're not going to do it with music though, not in this video at least. So this is going to be the tutorial only. When you're ready to try it with music, or if you want to see what it looks like with music, there's a separate video down in the description below or up here in this card. Remember that it doesn't really matter what you look like when you dance, it matters what you feel like. So if dancing makes you happy, then that's all that matters. I always say if you're moving, you're doing it right, and I truly mean it. So I hope you'll stand up and move with me right now. Let's dance. I forgot to mention there's a total of 6 8 counts in this little short dance, and there's really only 5, and then you repeat the 6th one. So we're going to learn 5 8 counts of choreography. Are you ready? Here we go. All right, our first 8 count, we're going to start with our feet closer together, and then you're going to step out onto your left leg, and we're going to sit into your left hip. So you're sitting down into this little bouncing hip popping motion, yeah? So you're going to do that 4 times. You're going to go 1 2 3 4. For your arms, you're going to take your left hand, put it on your hip. Right hand, you're going to bring it up like you're a little teapot. Flip your palm up and then pretend like you're holding on to your sleeve, or you can actually hold on to it. And then it's here. And so you're going to step out and go 1 2 3 4. As an added bonus, you can actually pulse the hand up as your hip is going down. So they're in opposition. The right arm goes up, the left hip goes down. 1 2 3 4. And that all happens on the count of 1. 5 6 7, step out on 1 2 3 4. Then you're going to take 4 steps, right, left, right, left. And as you take those steps, you're going to sway your hips the same way you're stepping. Right, left, right, left. Just swaying those hips side to side 4 times. The first 2, you are here. Your hands are going to come down. 5 6. On 7 8, you're just going to take your right hand to your chest. 7 8. Left hand's hanging out. So that first 8 count, you step out to your left. 1 2 3 4. Step 5 6. Hands 7 8. Yeah, let's try that. Remember, you can pulse your hand up if you want. I forgot. Here we go. Stepping out. 5 6. Step out on your left. This is 1 2 3 4. Sway your hips. 5 6. Hands 7 8. From here, second 8 count. You're going to step open. Let's talk about your arms first. They're going to be up like a goal post, fingers together, and you're just going to push those hands back. And if you want to pop your chest with it too, you can. Or just push your hands back. I don't know what I'm doing. It's a TikTok. It's a TikTok dance, y'all. So 1 2 3 4 times. 4 of these little arm pushes back. You're going to step out with the first 2 to your right, and then you're going to step out to your left for the second 2. So a total of 4. You go 1 2 3 4. 5 6 7. You step to the right, to the left. Then you're going to sit into this right hip and do a little boop, a little pop. So you sit down and then pop your hip to the right, your right hip to the right. So this was 1 2 3 4. You do this little sit and pop. 5 6. This is when she says shh. So you bring your left finger up to your mouth on 6. 5 6. And you're in this position here. So your weight's in your right hip. Shh. And you hold 7 8. Yeah? So this was 1 2 3 4 5 6. Hold 7 8. Yeah. And she also does, I think, a little boop, a little chin pop when she brings the finger there. Yeah. She, they, whoever's doing this dance. You can't mess it up. You're moving, you're doing it right. So from here, 5 6 7, push your arms back. 1 2 3 4, sit. 5 6. Hold 7 8. Keep forgetting the 7 8, y'all. Okay, from the top, we're going to step out and bounce. 5 6. Step out to your left. Go 1 2 3 4. Sway your hips. 6. Hands 7. push your arms back. 2, 3, 4, sit. 5, 7, 8. Very, very nice. You're doing a fantastic job. Remember, this is a recorded tutorial, so if you need to see those steps again, rewind it. Try them again as many times as you need to. Then when you're ready to move on, that's what we're gonna do right now. Here's our third 8 count. You finished here. Your hands up on 6, you hold 7, 8. Just your footwork. You're gonna step to the left, touch your right, step to the right, touch your left. That's gonna be on 1, 2, 3, 4. Your arms, you were here. You're gonna take the left one across and throw it out to the left. So it's gonna look like this, 1, 2. And you're actually gonna take your focus and look at your hand when you throw it out on 1, 2. So you're here, you go 1, 2, when your feet step back, 3, 4, you're gonna drop your hands and then we're gonna do a little head pop up, yeah? So hands were here on 1, 2, you're just gonna take your focus down, pop on 3, 4. So this was 1, 2, 3, 4. Little chin pop. And if you get your focus confused there, just go 1, 2, 3, 4. And don't worry about taking it, swooping it around. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, try that. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step to the left, look 2, 3, head pop 4. Those arms drop down. Now your footwork, you're gonna step 5, touch 6, 7, touch 8. Now we're facing this right corner. So it's the same thing, step left and touch. Left, touch, right, touch. But we're turning to the corners. Left corner, then right corner. Your arms, you're gonna take your shoulder, your right shoulder, and dip it down as you kind of push this arm around. Push, touch, push, touch. Yeah, so you push that arm and that shoulder. Push the arm down, push the shoulder forward. Push and a push. Yeah, push and a push. You got it. So that's on 5, 6, 7, 8, and we end up facing here. So this third 8 count, you were here, you're gonna step, throw it away. 5, 6, step to your left. On 1, look 2, 3, head 4, step 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, try it one more time. 5, 6, 7, throw it away. On 1, look 2, 3, head 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's go all the way back to the top, nice and slow. So you're gonna step out and pop this way on 1. 5, 6, step out to your left. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, step right, left hand, 7, 8. Throw your hands back, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold 7, 8. Throw your left hand and look. 3, head pop 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very, very nice. All right, rewind it if you need to. Otherwise, we're gonna go on to our fourth 8 count. We're over halfway through. You can do it. Here we go. You finish facing this right corner. We're just gonna do this, whatever this is called, with your arms. So you're gonna take your right arm up first as your left arm goes down, and then you're just switching that. So you're going right arm, left arm, right arm. There's just 3 counts. 1, 2, 3. On 4, you're just gonna take your left foot and step back open to the front. That's all your feet are doing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, right. Your arms, your right arm is gonna come back to your hip. Your left arm is gonna point at the camera, not the camera, the front of the room. And it's gonna come back and around and then point to the front. So facing you, it's gonna look like this. You're gonna come around. Take that left hand around to point forward, yeah? So that's on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have 4, 5 to come around. And on 6, you're gonna do a little head tilt to the left, the same side that your finger is pointing. 6, hold 7, 8. Your head just pops back up on 7, 8, but it's ultimately another hold. Let's do that 8 count again, am I right? So we're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, I keep hitting my curtain every time. Try it again from here. 5, 6, 7, right arm goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very, very nice. We're going back to the top. That's how we keep it all in there. Don't forget what we've already done. So you're going to step out to your left. You can do it. 5, 6, step out to your left on 1, 2, 3, 4. Sway your hips. 6, hands, 7, 8. Throw your hands back. 2, 3, 4. Sit. 5, hold. 7, 8. Throw your left hand away. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right arm up. 1, 2, 3, step. 4, 5, head. 6, 7, 8. Very, very nice. Let's add this last 8 count that you have the option to repeat. So you finished here. All you're gonna do is turn to the front. Your left hand's gonna come to your hip. Your right arm's gonna go up. And I'm still grabbing my sleeve here, yeah. And the motion of your arm, you're gonna lean to the left, to the right, and then you take it back to the left and do a little circle around. It's super fast. So it's not super precise, but you're doing a little circle with your arm. If you're imagining drawing on the ceiling, you're doing a clockwise circle. So you're going left, right, clockwise circle, and then you reverse it, right, left, counterclockwise circle. And then you can do that again, left, right, circle to the left, right, left, circle to the right. And all your hips are doing is kind of moving back and forth the same way. To the left, to the right, then circle to the left, right, left, circle to the right. So that's ultimately the 5th 8 count. And then you can just repeat it like we just did. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Or if you're feeling feisty, you could just freestyle that last 8 count, whatever you want to do. So repeat or freestyle, and then you're done. What? Yay, you did it. So let's talk about the last 8 count again, or the last 2 8 counts. So you did, this was this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, head, 6, 7, 8. You hold that 7, 8, and then you're just gonna step out or push your hip out into that left side. 5, 6, 7, to the left. 1, 2, circle 3, 4, then 5, 6, circle 7, 8. Do it again, or you can freestyle here. 5, 6, 7, 8. Choose your own adventure. Yeah, do whatever you want. You're moving, you're doing it right. Also, they do the first part of the dance very serious. And then as they step out into this, that's when you get real excited on your face, if you want to do that. Let's go back to the top. Let's walk it through nice and slow. You're doing an awesome job. Here we go. We're going to step out on 1. Super duper slow for our brains. 5, 6, 7, step to your left. 1, 2, 3, 4, step hips. 6, hands, 7, 8. Throw your hands back. 2, 3, 4, sit, 5, hold, 7, 8, step, throw it away. 2, 3, head, 4, push, 5, 6, push, 7, 8, right arm up. 2, 3, step out. 4, 5, head, 6, 7, 8, right arm left, right, circle to the left. This is 5, 6, 7, 8. Repeat if you want. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah! What? You did it. You learned to dance. Or you just sat there and watched me, and that's fun too. Thanks for being here. We're going to do it again. If you need to do it that slower tempo, pause it, rewind it, practice it, whatever you need to do. We're going to go up a little bit faster here because it is a lot faster when they actually do it. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah? We're going to try it a little faster. You can do it. Here we go. Stepping out to your left. 5, 6, 5. 6, step to your left. Go 1, 2, 3. Sway your hips. 5, 6, hands, 7. Throw your hands back. 1, 2, 3. Sit it down. 5, 6. Hold 7. Step, throw. 1, 2, 3, 4. Push. 5, 6, 7. Right arm up. 1, 2, 3. Step. 4, 5. Head. 6, 7. Right arm up. 1, 2. Circle 3. Do it again. 5, 6, 7. Repeat if you want. 2, 3. Last time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Fantastic job. Woo! And that was it. That was the I Am Your Mother dance. Thank you so much for joining me. Please remember that It's a dance. It's a TikTok dance or a YouTube Shorts dance. You can't mess it up. You just move and have fun. Don't care what other people say about it or how you look. Just stand up and dance, and I hope you feel good, because if you're just moving, then truthfully, you're doing it right. You already stood up and you moved, so you've already done it. I'm super proud of you. I hope you're proud of yourself for standing up and moving and doing something good for you. If you want to see more tutorials like this in the future, please hit that subscribe button to be notified when more tutorials are released. Thank you again. I appreciate you so much. I hope you have the best rest of your day, and I look forward to seeing you in a future tutorial. Bye, y'all.